What's going on, guys? So if you ended up clicking on this video, that means that your Evo is probably in the same situation as mine, and that it's about one more click, no start, before ending up being push started into the next fucking river. So essentially what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put the STM starter in my Evo, and I'll probably end up doing like a wash because I haven't actually washed it or cleaned it since Wreckfest, actually. And yeah, after the last Lime Rock day, I haven't cleaned it at all. So I'll put this starter in, and I know there's probably been 1,001 videos of this already, but it's my video. Fuck it. So I'll let you guys see, but you know, my garage is a little messy, as you can see, and it's small. So I can't do the install in here, or else you guys would see some like horrible angles and no one would be interested. So I'm gonna pull all the cars out of the driveway, pull this into the driveway, and then get everything going. See you in a bit. So Evo started. I'm just letting it warm up for a little bit because, like I said, I haven't driven it. Just not too long because I don't want to get too hot under there. One of these days I'll do a walk around video of the Evo as well, but today is not that day. Let me show you what a no start looks like. So you know, right now the car started. You think everything's great. What a no start typically looks like, especially if it's a starter issue, is I'll go in. All right. I'll go in, and let's see if it starts up this time. And what do we get? Oh, it actually started. Oh, well, it's a shitty example of a video, but there we go. Yep, see, there we go. See how it started twice? And now we're getting nothing. So that's what it looks like. So normally, and take this with a grain of salt, is that it's never really a battery issue because I have a little thing here. Just kind of see what voltage the battery's running on, even though this is a couple volts off since this draws power as well. But when it's like this, and you can hear, I'm not sure if you'll hear it because of the mic, but you'll get that click. As long as you hear a click, that means it's just the starter not engaging. So I could do this like 20 times and just nothing. So yeah, we're gonna pop this starter up. Oh, see, there we go. It's just random. It's just completely random. Don't make fun of my ghetto jank speedometer. I gotta fix that one day, but I'm too lazy to right now. I might as well just change this channel to Lazy Boy, because I never really want to do anything, but I'm forced to because I'm broke. And I can't afford to have everyone do it for me, so not every time at least. Alright, let me get the other tripod. And I was gonna move the chaser because since I plan to clean the Evo, but I also got lazy for that too. Man, I'm horrible. I don't know how you guys deal with me. But, and there's my neighbors parked in front of my house. I don't know why they love parking in front of my house, but whatever. It is what it is. Free world, right? All right, let's see. Where is my other tripod mount? There we go. Ignore the junk. Oh, Red Bull. I need this. Speaking of which, let's do a quick MTV Cribs. All right, so this is my shitty one-car garage. Very shitty. I hate these walls. I wanted to paint it, but I'm too lazy. Another thing I'm too lazy for. And out of all the nonsense in here, you wanna know what's my favorite thing? This bad boy right here. Anyone who knows me knows how much I love Akira. I actually want to do an Akira livery on the Evo, a Tasha wrap. So if anybody that's, you know, ever watching this and wants to help your boy out with that, it would be greatly appreciated. All right, let's go to the car now. Now this isn't going to be a full like how-to tutorial on how to swap your starter. I'm just going to kind of just run it down like how I do it. Now I'm so used to having to fucking work on this damn Evo because I've had so many issues in the sense of like electrical and things like that, well, first I like to pop open the hood. Where are we? This is almost embarrassing. My hood popper got stuck under the bumper. What the fuck? This means on the track day, I fucked something up. Look at that. It got caught under there. That bitch. The fuck did that happen? Anyway, I don't even want to talk about how long that took me to get under there. But this is the engine bay. It used to be a lot prettier. I sold some stuff. There's still some stuff for sale too. I don't want to ship that because it's not worth it. I don't ship that, so it's not worth it. So if anybody's watching in New York and just kind of want some remaining little pretty things that can go to, you know, just hit me up, because I'm phasing out of the show stuff. Just kind of work on using the Evo more. All right. So like I was saying, other than that, so the reason why this works out to be so easy is because I just pop the hood open and I literally just have it on 2 quick releases, so it's easy to work on. And I just have these bad boys under the radiator cover, just kind of holding it in place. I should screw this in, but I knew I was gonna have to open up the bay really quick. Oh, I can't hold this while I'm doing this. Let me just put this up and easy. Nice and easy off. Again, other than the clips on the side that you take off, you'd have some clips underneath from your under panel if you haven't chewed it out. I believe the Evo ones are rubber, similar to like what I had on my 10, and those get dogged out like early on. But if you still have yours, you probably may have to take that off as well. I don't have an under panel. I do want one. I probably want like a carbon one or the Beat Rush one, because I know it has the cutouts. It has the cutouts for the oil filter and the oil pan. But I also want one just to have a cutout for where the toe hitches, because I just want to get the easy access. But I'm not sure between running the under panel or just getting like a nice splitter in the front for just extra downforce. I'd really like a chassis mounted splitter, but that's just little upgrades that's not fully necessary at the moment. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to jack it up and then we'll kind of just get everything started. I'm running a little behind schedule so far, to be honest, so I should really speed things up. Trusty, reliable Harbor Freight. Gotta love it. See, I know this is not proper jack etiquette, but if you were looking while it was going, it was trying to shift down a bit. So that's why it's always important to just have those chalk little stoppers, wheel stoppers behind, because you never know. This would have fell. That would have been pretty bad. Actually, replacing the starter is pretty straightforward. You gotta get this nut off, this bolt out, and then right on the other side. So like I was saying, those 2 bolts on that side and this 1 bolt on this side is what you'll need to get yourself going. Now for the 2 bolts, you're gonna need, well, 3 bolts. Oh, 2 bolt, 1 nut. You're gonna need a 14 millimeter for the other side. That's coming out on the other side, and that larger one right there. And then I need a 13 for the one that's holding on to the ground wire. I think that's the word for it. So I'm gonna try to do this while getting everything on camera, which I might say F you guys and just do it afterwards. All right, so starter's back in. So let's go and get this started and see if it works, or else this whole video is useless and I have another problem. Let's see now. All right, nice and easy. All right, cool. So everything seems to be good. I'll button everything back on, put everything back on. Isn't it funny? I brought the gloves, didn't even wear them. Useless. I'm stupid sometimes. All right, but yeah, guys, that's really the video for today. If you want to keep watching, I'm just gonna wash the car. We have a grassroots event this weekend. That's with Prime and Live to Offend and all that. It's a pretty cool, chill event. So I'm just gonna clean the car up. So if you just want to watch a video of me cleaning the car, go ahead. Oh, one more thing. I always forget this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It goes a big way. Small channel. It helps push me more into the YouTube algorithm so that more people can watch my content. I always appreciate you guys' comments for what you say. So, later, guys. Alright, well, Evo's all cleaned up, nice and shiny, looking good for this weekend. And for you guys that stuck around to watch all this, I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.